All right, so this is the new SanDisk. Well, it's been around for a little while. SanDisk SSD drive. So you can see, like, for perspective, this is really tiny, thin, and incredibly light. This is going to be my go-to for any kind of travel or on the road, gathering footage and editing. It's not permanent storage, but you can get this up to 2 terabytes, and it's just the bomb. I mean, it's so thin. I mean, compared to a regular drive, it's just, it's kind of the bomb. So that's me on my update on new gear. This is really like going on the road, going on location, shooting and capturing footage and putting onto hard drive. This is durable, really hard to break, unlike the regular drives that have the spinners inside. Anyway, that's my tip for the day.